let's cover some facts about Rett syndrome. In 1966, Dr. Rett discovered Rett girls. And what that meant was these girls showed the characteristics of the disorder, so they were nicknamed Rett's girls. In 1983, Dr. Hagberg first published about these Rett's girls and was invited to Vienna, where Dr. Rett held a conference for the Rett's girls. 1994, the DSM-IV introduces Rett syndrome and Asperger's for the very first time. 1997, Dr. Rett dies, rest in peace. In the 2000s, there's a lot of groundbreaking research. MIT believes that the answer for Rett syndrome lies in the very same mutation on the MECP2 gene. And then the study into gene therapy begins. Not a lot of research or a lot of breakthrough has been made in this area since then. In 2011, just recently, Dr. Jukic, and that's how you pronounce her name, Jukic, introduces iScan. She discovered that these young females were able to communicate via eye scanning, or they can actually tell, they would look at a bowl of cereal, and by staring at that bowl of cereal, it was implied that they were hungry. And so the eye scan actually scans the eyes and determines exactly how these females communicate. If they're looking at a certain item for a long period of time, chances are that's what they're trying to communicate. Groundbreaking technology here. A lot is being made in this area as well. 2013, we will see the DSM-IV, and chances are it will not have any pervasive developmental disorders. None other specified will not be in the DSM-IV. And so what does that mean for these patients with Rett syndrome, Asperger's, and any variation of? They will all be classified as autistic, or they lying in the autism spectrum. Okay? So we'll see more of this in the next few years to come as to what's going to happen in this area. And so what is the future for these girls? Again, we're hoping gene therapy, eye scan therapy, and the DSM-IV will answer some of these questions. And for future information on Rett syndrome, please visit these sites. corett.org is a Colorado chapter. And thanks again.